So, how to fix Twitter we cannot send a text message to this phone number problem easily and fast. Or what you wanna do guys is very simple and easy. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Open the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you wanna do here is open the Twitter. After you open Twitter, now click here on this force stop option, and after you click on it, it will stop the app from running. As you can see, this app may stop working properly if you force stop it. So click on force stop right here down here, and that's it. The problem must be fixed now, but if it's not, you have to do another thing, which is go to the App Store or the Play Store if you have Android like me. Open the Play Store, search for Twitter, and then update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial.